guys, this is Amy from Garden Up Landscape. Welcome to my office with a view today. We're going to be talking about how to remove moss from your landscape beds, your lawn, and pretty much anywhere without using bottled chemicals. So, I want to talk about, this is a moss that is thoroughly covering this area and it's all over the yard. Basically, step one, we remove the moss. You can do this with just about any tool. I'm going to do it with a trowel. Take it up in sheets. You're not going to be able to save your mulch while doing this, but your mulch is pretty much gone anyway, so we're going to go ahead and clean up this whole bed and then I'll come back and show you the next step. So here we are back at the site. We have cleaned off all the moss. We have shuffle-hoed the area so that the soil is nice and fluffed. The reason for doing this is it gives the moss a harder time to get established again. Then after we did that, we raked it smooth because that's what makes it look real nice. But to actually get rid of the moss, we're going to apply baking soda. And what the baking soda does is alkalinizes the soil. Pretty much any lichen, fungus, moss, most pathogens all require an acidic environment to survive. So they absolutely thrive in moist, cool environments where the pH is really low. Baking soda will raise the pH and quite literally change the environment and kill the moss. Use plenty. It's better to overuse baking soda than not use enough and have it not work. This is not an end-all technique either. You will have to reapply it because alkaline, high pH substances tend to leach away with water over time. So as it rains and as the irrigation sprinkles, the baking soda will wash away and the soil will regain its lower pH. So now once I have a good healthy layer of baking soda, I will take my shuffle hoe or my rake again and simply mix it in. And this just helps the baking soda to disappear. And now the next time it rains, most of this baking soda is going to disappear. If you're doing this in an application like a lawn, then you don't have to remove the moss first. You can just apply the baking soda straight to the moss. Wait about a week, it'll be dead, rake it up, reapply. Two weeks later, we have no moss. No moss. No moss anywhere. We are now several weeks after treating one time with baking soda, and there is not any moss anywhere in this bed.